Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square Invoices for insurance service billing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Square Invoices for insurance service billing, begin by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Invoices section from the left side menu. Select the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Fill in the customer's name and email address to ensure proper delivery. Add invoice items by clicking the Add Item button. For each service rendered, input the description clearly. Set the price for each service based on your billing rates. If applicable, adjust the quantity for services that are billed per unit. Next, apply any discounts, if relevant, to the invoice total. Include a payment due date to ensure timely payments from clients. Choose an appropriate payment method, such as credit card or bank transfer. Once all information is filled in, review the invoice for accuracy. Make sure all services and charges align with the agreed billing terms. To send the invoice, click the Send button. Select the delivery method, either via email or a shareable link. Confirm the invoice details and hit Send Invoice to deliver it. After sending, monitor the invoice status in the Invoices dashboard. This allows you to track payments and follow up if necessary. If needed, you can edit or send reminders for unpaid invoices later. By following these steps, you will effectively configure Square Invoices tailored for insurance service billing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.